Go ahead and see if this guy's gonna be a selfie drone that you're gonna actually take in the beach in this condition. And we're gonna go ahead, I mean, it's a little bit windy, but it's not extremely windy, but we're just gonna go ahead and see what this guy can do and go from here. It's gonna be interesting one. I got to the app. Anyway, one more thing, guys. I noticed about this, you gotta make sure the way you charge this, you make sure you turn it off, because I charged this and I thought it was charging, but it's on, so it didn't even charge at all. So for like 5 hours. I don't know why they did that. And here you can see here the app is pretty decent, but one thing about it is you don't have no symmetry, like you don't know how far you're going. The only thing you're depending on is the Wi-Fi. So if the more you go farther, the more there's Wi-Fi going down the bar, and you can tell you're getting far away from the connection. But we're gonna go ahead and see what's this guy all about and go from here. I'm probably gonna go ahead and go to fast mode, because I know in a slow mode this thing is really slow. With this kind of condition, you want to be in a fast mode anyway, and see how this guy perform. And one more thing, guys, the only thing I don't like about this, it's like it's good to go fast, forward, back, sides, but when you're trying to turn when you're trying to turn this, man, it's so slow. I mean, it's like, I mean, you need to turn really quick too sometimes. But I'm gonna go, see, I have the emergency there just in case, you know. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do a little bit of calibrating, and I guess it's ready to go. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit calibrating, and you guys can see how this guy acts. Just give me a few minutes. Oh, is it ready? Oh, it is ready. Is it ready? Alright. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and cancel out. That's weird. Okay, it's been 2 seconds. I have no time for that. I'm gonna go ahead and get away from the app again. And is it recording? Alright. See, the only way you cannot, hold on, one more thing, guys, like, you know, sometimes you just want to do this to take off, you can't, so you gotta press take off. And that's the sucks part, because sometimes you want the motor to warm up and go fly. But anyway, this guy don't have that. All right, I got it on, and I'm gonna go you know what, I'm probably gonna go ahead and take off over here because the wind is blowing this direction. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and do it over here. He's probably gonna go far away. Right, I'm gonna do it right here. And here you go. You know, I'm gonna do it right here, just in case I can chase it down. And here you go. Oh, is it on? Give me just a second. I don't know why it's not turning on. We're live, and then we're gonna go ahead and I don't know why I still got low battery. He says I got low battery. I just charged this thing. Wow. All right, let's go ahead. Now it's charging. I mean, it's on. Anyway, you guys can see what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. So if you charge this, you don't know if it's off or on, so it's not charging. So right now I'm in the beach, you're trying to take your photo and video, you got nothing. So this drone failed, totally failed, man. You know, I thought it was charged, you know, charging it for like 5 hours and coming over here in the beach, and this thing is not even charged on the app. What's going on? See, no battery. I can't fly. It's a big failure. So that means I gotta go ahead and fly Tello now. Wow. Alright guys, I want to tell you guys something here. So I was gonna go ahead and use this to do my aerial footage here because I'm at the beach, you know. I just want to lay down and take some awesome pictures and awesome footage, right? And fly around, but I can't because apparently the way you have to charge this, you have to charge in the back and you don't know if it's off or on. So the whole time you're charging it, it's actually not charging your battery. It's basically turning on this drone here, so you cannot charge, and next thing you know, by the time you come here to the beach and you want to take some awesome footage, you don't got no footage. You basically failed because there is no video. But this one failed. Good thing I have my Tello here. Tello don't have that kind of problem. And now I'm gonna go ahead and take off using Tello and taking my aerial footage because this guy failed. So now I'm gonna use my Tello. Now I'm flying my Tello because this little drone here in the bottom failed. It did not give me the video footage that I needed because it wasn't charged right, or it would just won't charge. So now I'm just gonna use the Tello here. See, in the Tello you can do two things. You can lift it up and take off, or you can just do this here and you can do it this way. See, on this drone in the bottom you can't do that. The only way option that you have is press that button. So that's the only option that you have. For the Tello you have both. So right now I'm probably just gonna go ahead and take off this way. It's breezy, but it's not extremely windy, so that's a good thing. And it's still giving the footage that I needed because Tello can do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and lift off now and go from here. Look at that. You can use this for a landing pad. That's the only thing it's good of. Now I have my Tello. I'm at the beach, and just gonna go this way here. See, even show you it's windy. This one right here doesn't give you the information. At least with the Tello you have that. So I'm just gonna go and take a quick picture. Alright guys, so what I did is take some quick shots, and the Ryze Tello can do it all, and can also do the fast mode, and I have enough time for pretty much to do everything because the battery's so efficient with Ryze Tello. And it got to me, and simple, and the wind is blowing that direction. So, and then I'm gonna have it and then just go ahead and go. See, it's windy. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and land in my hand. See, so it's a heavy wind, so basically they want you to land. They want you to land that, so your option is just to land down, not in your hand. But don't do what I do. Again, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.